Kettle is the perfect addition to your kitchen, so you can easily cook up something warm in the morning. The glass kettle gives you boiling water at the flip of a switch. The blue LED indicator light turns on when the water is boiling. It only takes 3 to 7 minutes to boil your water in the glass kettle, depending on how full it is. The British Strix thermostat technology adds more safety measures to the kettle, so your water boils quickly and safely. Boil dry protection turns off the kettle when it's empty, and it automatically turns off 30 seconds after it's done boiling. The kettle's wide mouth makes cleaning easier than ever. Speaking of cleaning, it's recommended that you descale your kettle once a week to remove any mineral deposits that have built up inside the kettle. To do that, simply fill the kettle with 1 cup of distilled vinegar or lemon juice and 2 cups of water. Then boil the water and let it soak in the kettle for 2 hours. Pour the solution out and wipe the lime scale away with a cloth or non-abrasive sponge. After that, just rinse the kettle with clean water, dry it with soft cloth, and you're ready to start boiling again. The kettle is durably constructed with food-grade glass and a stainless steel lid and inner pot, so plastic never touches your water. For rapidly boiled water, safety measures, and durable construction, COSORI's electric glass kettle is the smart choice.
Clikon Era Smart Kettle. The unique temperature sensor detects real-time temperature of the water. It has temperature settings starting from 40 to 100 degrees Celsius. The kettle will automatically shut off when reaching the desired temperature. The body of Clikon Era Smart Kettle is made from SS304 superior quality rust-proof stainless steel. Quick boil technology ensures fast boiling. Cordless option and compact design make this kettle very convenient to use and store. The detachable lid and removable filter ensures easy cleaning. Just press a button and get warm water in no time.
Both Stagg EKG Pro and Pro Studio Edition. Precision engineered for the perfect pour. Customize everything on the high-resolution, full-color screen. This is the best kettle we've ever made. Actually, this is the best kettle anyone's ever made. For however you brew, whenever you brew. The new Stagg EKG Pro